basically we want to do this thing now, passing the test data or the parameters in the step itself. How to do that? There are 2 to 3 different ways. You can pass in the step itself. You can pass it in the feature file as a, what we say, tabular format also, right? Which looks better. But let's see how to pass the data in the step itself. What could be the example? The example can be when you pass, let's create new scenarios so that you will understand what I'm saying. Okay, let's create new scenario. So I'm copying this because some of the steps are same. So here we have to concentrate on this. Okay, let me put comment here. Fine. So we are concentrating on this. Verify. Let's create a simple one. In our website, we want to check accounting module is present or not, right? Or let me simplify it actually. Hold on. Let's pass the user ID password. Why to take complex example? We want to pass user ID and password from the steps, this user ID and password. So basically, I will say given user is on home page, user navigates to login page, user specified the valid credential, right? So in the valid credential, instead of saying this, I will say user specifies, I'll say here, email and that particular email, correct? This email as this, that's it. And I will say user specifies password as this, done. And rest of the things are same, right? So what is this? I'm saying it provides this. And password is something like this, done. So you're passing it now. User clicks on login button, this page should be displayed, selling module should be displayed. All these things are same, right? I just want to pass the data from here. Okay, fine. To save the time, let me put it into another test case. What will happen otherwise, this will be executed first. So it will take a lot of time for me to come to this point. So either you make it like first test case. Let's create it. Control X. And let's keep it at the first. Okay. So same, the test case is same, verify desk page. So you can say verify desk page when valid credential is specified, just changing the scenario, otherwise it's same. Okay, but we have not written step definition for this, right? We have not written step def in the login step def. We have not written anything to, so this is the step def, exactly this one. It's saying user error. So this is the statement, right? This is statement which is here. We have not written it like this. So it should fail. Let it fail. So when you run it, it will actually tell you that you forgot to do this thing. This is the good part about putting dry run is equals to true and monochrome is equals to true. It's failing. At the same time, it will tell you what to do. So if I see the error message here, where let it complete, and it will tell you that something is missed. Okay, let it complete. Otherwise, you can write your own thing also. Is failed false, is failed false. The ceiling module should be visible. Okay, done, I think. Now, once it is done, see here, it's showing me that when user specified email as a particular string, and user specified password is a string. You forgot to put it. It's saying you can implement missing steps with the snippet below. Fine. Let's copy this. And let's go to the step def. So this should come where it should be related to login step def, right? So we'll put it into the login step def.java. It can be anywhere. Means in the login step def, you can put it anywhere. It's not like that you have to put it before some other function. No. Let me format it. So it's saying user specifies email. So this will be, let's say, email value or email val. And what you want to do with the email val, you will say driver dot find driver dot, oh, it's not coming. Oh, you have to call through the object. My bad. This one you have to call. Oh, let me copy the whole thing. No, only this line. Sorry. You want to pass login, like email, right? So this line will come, but instead of hard coding it, you will say this email val, and let's comment this as of now, or let's keep it just 2 seconds. We'll see that it is happening. And password. So you want to pass the password, same thing. You will call specify password basically. And instead of this will come, and you want to pass password val. You can give any name. I am giving a meaningful name like password value. How it will come? It will come from this. User specifies password. So this will come in this as a parameter, and you can use it here. Okay, and let's put rest of the things are same. Why I'm saying rest of the things are same? Because rest of the things are already defined. I don't have to do anything. So I am getting this from here. It's like this. Fine. Done. So let's run this. So you'll be able to see this. This too will be passed, right? And it will work. So let's run this. Okay, let me put debug point so that you will see that it is happening. So let's put a debug point here. Debug point, not here. Where was that? Yes, login step here and here. You will see that it is coming to this val. So now this time I'll say debug as Cucumber feature because I want to stop at some point. Let's see now. Yeah, switching to the debug perspective. So it is stopped at a particular point. It is stopped at a particular point. If you want to go to that point, right click here or double click here or right click or say open declared type. If I go here, it will reach here, but in the debug perspective, oh, where it has gone here, you'll be able to see it's saying go to the 83 line. Okay. So to go to a particular line, the shortcut is Control L. 83. I'm here. So it's saying I'm here now. If I hover over it, it's showing me this value. Why it is coming here? Because I passed it this. And it is coming here. If I hover over it, I'm able to see this is. So now if I'll do step over, see this is waiting me to do the next step, correct? It is waiting me to do the next step. So if I'll do step over, this password will be specified. See here. Now, if I'll go to the next line, it will reach to this. Let it reach. Okay, fine. So hold on. Now we are here. If I hover over this is email, right? Okay, where is the password? Yeah, this one. So if I hover over this, I'm able to see I'm getting this password well. If I do the next line, yeah, it's working. Password is there, done. So this is one way of passing the data. Another way is passing as a parameter, which we will see now. It's working anyways. So let me stop the execution. Done. Now, what is another way? Another way is in the login test feature, let's create something new. Let's create desk page.java is there, right? Let's do something. So once you are logged in with a valid user ID and password, okay. Sorry. You are here. You want to click on the sailing module and you want to click on the sailing module. That's it. That's it as of now. And you should go to the sailing page. And anyways, as of now, you want to click on the sailing module. So basically the desk page, you want to find out that the selling module link is already there. You want to click on it, correct? So let's create a function for that first. So public void click on or navigate to selling module will be better, right? Click is very technical. Make it business centric words, right? Here, navigate to selling module. And what it will do, it will simply driver dot find element selling module link. Yeah, it's there. My bad. This is basically selling module link dot click. We want to perform. That's it. But I wanted to pass something. So let's create a new feature itself, which will be selling module feature, right? So I'm copying this feature because some of the features I will use it as it is. Now, this will be sailing test dot feature. Okay. And let's work on it. I'll close everything else so that there will be no confusion. So there is a sailing test feature. Validate sailing module. As of now, I'm just giving it like this, sailing module. Okay, that's it. Let me delete all this thing. I just want to give some example actually. Okay, so here, verify desk page. So this will be basically, I want to verify sailing verify modules under sailing. That I want to check. What are the things inside the sailing? See here, there are a lot of things inside the sailing. I want to verify whether customer is available, where item is available, those kind of thing I want to do. The user is on home page. Then now the next part is you can pass it by saying parameters. See, in the bracket, you can put it like this. Okay. And now when you're putting it like this, you can say here, this is my email. This is my password. And here, when you're using it, it will be not scenario, it will be scenario outline. Then you can use example, right? So when I control space here, there are two things. One is scenarios, there are four things. Scenario outline, scenario template. So we'll be generally using just scenario and scenario outline. So now change it to scenario outline. Instead of saying scenario, now it is scenario outline. But when you're using scenario outline, you can create data tables here. It's possible, right? What you can do is you have to create it like this. Pipes. First pipe is like then you have to provide the let me write it properly. Oh, before that, you can say here example. See here, control space. Oh, it's not coming. It should come. Oh, it's not coming. But let's put it, what I'm saying is pipes. Pipe is like separation, like what you want to pass. Okay. So email, you want to pass. Okay. Password, you want to pass. Fine. And here will be the value. Again, separation will be there. So email. Email is Nitesh underscore IIIPM @ yahoo.com. Password is this. Done. So this will be picked here. But when you want to use in this, here you have to say example, right? Syntax. Let's see the syntax. People have provided that. Scenario outline, this examples, colon. It will be like this, examples, colon. Fine. And we are doing right. See here, the same, something similar we are doing. So it's examples, colon, but it is not coming when I write it. Examples. Oh, it's coming. Examples. Done. So this is like, I want to execute this with this example data. How cool is this? If you want to make it more readable, you can make it. So for example, let me make it more readable. And password, something like this. Is it more readable now? That this is my example data. Email is this, password is this. Through the pipe separation, you are separating it. Done. Now, if I'll run this thing, will it work? Yes. Let's try. Run as now I'm running the sailing test feature, right? I'm not running that email features. It's working. It's working. Fine, guys. So once it is completed, you will be able to see the output. It's saying there is one scenario which is passed. There were 7 steps, this, and it's working. Okay. One scenario only you executed. In fact, it will show you that what you did at that step. It's showing me the detailed value. So it has all automatically picked up that in your step, this parameter value was actually this. It's like this. Let's change it so that you will feel that, okay, it's working. So let me make it test@yahoo.com. So this time you will see the change and password is same. So basically this is going to fail now. So let's run it. It is going to fail because this user ID and password is not correct. So step number 6th and 7th is going to fail. That it is not able to see the desk page and the sailing module and all. So test@yahoo.com this time has come. It's not Nitesh underscore something, right? It's working. And in the console output, you'll be able to see that what has failed. It's saying that this was tested rate. It's saying at a particular place, assertion is failed here. It's saying that it is not able to find the URL as desk. Why? Because the error has come, right? So this is failed, and it's a better way. It's actually saying your test case is failed now. Okay, good one. Good. So this is how you should develop other test scenarios. Okay. Let me refresh this. Now the part which is still remaining is showing the report, showing a better report, right? This is like console report. I want to see the HTML report. That we will learn in the next session.